mi gente, what's up? It's your girl NIIKI Sparks. So in today's video, I'm gonna talk about how to apply your foundation and how to do your makeup the natural way, the natural basic makeup. I already prepped my skin. If you haven't seen how to properly prep your skin before makeup, then I invite you to go watch the previous videos of this beauty makeup series that I am doing on my YouTube channel. I am going to use my all-time favorite foundation, the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, and the shade is Tahoe. My shade is Tahoe, so I'm gonna take 2 pumps. Always shake your foundation before using it, because sometimes the product can separate itself and you just have to mix it back all together so you can have the proper foundation on the proper product on your skin. So what I like to do, I like to put it in the back of my hands. Make sure your hands are clean. You know, you gotta wash your hands before you do your makeup, as I mentioned on my previous videos. So, and I like to apply some dots on my face. You can either use a beauty sponge or a brush. Today I'm gonna use a brush because I want a little bit more coverage. If you want a lot of coverage, you just have to dab on the product on your skin like this, and you will have the product will be applied full coverage. And if you want a more sheer coverage, you just have to do like this. So full coverage, you dab. And if you want a more sheer coverage, a more like natural look, you just have to do like this. It's like you swipe, but I rather, even if I'm doing a natural look, I rather dab on the foundation because it doesn't move around my primer and all the stuff that I applied already under my foundation. And for your foundation to be perfectly blended, right, and perfectly blended, all you gotta do is take a couple minutes and blend your foundation. And don't forget to blend it on your jawline, because if you don't blend on your jawline, the foundation is gonna stop right here and it's gonna look like a mask, and we don't want that. Yes, it's 2020 and you should know this by now, and if you don't know it, then I'm here to teach you, okay? So dab it, go down, drag it down to your neck. I'm gonna take some more and apply it on my forehead. On my forehead, I like to drag it. And here I'm going to tap. Don't forget around your nose. We tend to forget around our nose, so make sure the foundation is well in there. And again, I'm dragging it down to my neck. Now that I've applied the foundation all over my skin, now what I do is I always take a minute and blend. Just so. Now my foundation is perfectly blended onto my skin. Now we can go on to concealer. So to have a very natural look, very natural makeup routine, I advise you to take a concealer just one shade lighter than your foundation tone, than your skin tone, just one tone lighter. So my concealer right here is just one shade lighter than my skin tone, and the one that I'm using is from NARS, the NARS Creamy Concealer in color Caramel. The perfect way to apply your concealer is to have a natural look. You concentrate here, just here, like you do a small little triangle like this, while putting some color here, the concealer, because this area here is going to open up your eyes when it's brightened. So by brightening up this area right here, is gonna open up your eyes. You're gonna look more awake, and that's exactly what we are looking for. So I always put my concealer like this when I want something very, very natural. With a beauty blender, I'm going to blend the concealer out, and you will see how natural this will look. See how natural I look? Perfect. Nothing more. I don't need to apply nothing more. This is why I wanted to do this makeup series, because most of women that has no idea how to do their makeup are learning makeup on the extravagant way of Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and makeup is not what we are seeing on social media, you know, like I don't need to contour my face every day. I don't need to apply 3 shades lighter concealer every day. Like, if you like to do that, it's on you, because I love to do it. But I'm trying to show you guys that makeup is not just one routine. That makeup is not just one routine, the same thing, contour, highlight, contour, highlight, contour, highlight. Like, no, this is enough. This is why I'm talking about, this is why I wanted to start with a natural look and gradually teach you up to go to the more extravagant look that we all love. I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera because I have a tutorial on how to do your eyebrows already. I invite you to go check it out so you can have all the details and all the tips on how to do your eyebrows. So now that I'm done with my brows, I'm going to set my face. As you can see, I did no contouring. So I'm gonna set my face with the Fenty Banana Powder. Set my under eye with Fenty Beauty Banana Powder. So here is a little trick. For your makeup to last longer, not only do you need to prep your skin the right way, you need the right foundation, you also need to set your foundation with the gold powder. Example, if I were to set my foundation with this powder, a regular powder, a regular colored powder, an hour, 2 hours from now, my foundation is gonna start moving. So the trick is to set your foundation first with a translucent powder, a translucent setting powder. Okay, so when you set your foundation with the translucent setting powder, then there you're gonna be extremely sure that your foundation is set. After you set your foundation with the translucent powder, then there you can add your colored powder. So I'm going to do just that. I'm going to set my foundation with the powder, and I'm just going to tap it all on my face with tapping motion. And I make sure this foundation is well set. And you don't need a lot of powder for that. Just a little bit with a brush, like this, is enough to set one area of your face. And why I'm tapping on the powder is because if I move it like this, it's going to move the foundation. So I need to set it first, and then I can go with my colored powder, and I can go in circle motion like this, without, just like that, just so. Now that you've learned how to set your foundation, I'm going to apply, because when you just apply translucent powder, sometimes it will leave like a little white cast on your face. So what you need to do is that you need to take a colored powder and just go all over your face real quick, and that will bring back the color to your skin. Just so. Some days I would do this, put some mascara and a lipstick, and I'm off the house. When I'm really in a rush, I would do this, my eyebrows, my foundation, some lipstick, mascara, and I'm out. But today I'm gonna show you the proper way to do your makeup. The proper way to do your makeup, the natural way, so you can look well put together, like you did some effort. So, no contouring, right? No contour, no highlight, no contour. What you should do is apply blush. I will take some blush. This one is from MAC. The color is Raisin, with a blush brush. And you smile, you know, your little fake smile. The little fake smile, and apply it all over my cheeks. All over my cheeks in circular motion, going upward like this, all to my temples. When I'm going for a very natural look, I love to take my blush and apply it as eyeshadow, so the face will look coordinated and pretty. So I'm gonna take some blush with a fluffy brush, a fluffy blending brush. And apply it on my crease. Just so. You see how cute it looks? Just so. That's all I just do. Then I take some highlighter. This one is from Fenty Beauty, and I apply it on my tear duct. And I do the same for my brow bone. Then I'm going to apply the slightest, just a little bit of highlight right here. I'm all done with my face. Now I'm going to set it with some Fix Plus. By setting your face, right, with a setting spray, you are going to remove the powder effect that you have on your face. Because I applied powder, I applied my foundation, I applied translucent powder, I applied powder. So by applying the setting spray, it's going to set everything and make it look seamless. Now I'm going to apply some mascara. It's a telescopic extra black from L'Oreal. Now I'm going to apply my lipstick. With this look, you can apply any lipstick you want. You can go for red lipstick, nude lipstick, dark lipstick, black lipstick, any lipstick you want. I'm going for a more pinkish lipstick because it's a nude look. So this is how I would do a simple makeup look, like as an everyday look, and this is what I would do. So today's video has come to its And if you're still here with me, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any question, just ask down below on the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.